Okay, children. Come back first thing in the morning. Okay, rain or shine, we're gonna have school. Put your cap on. Oh, here, take that, Louise. Bye, Miss Catherine. See you tomorrow.
Hello, Miss Catherine.
Hello, Sam.
I thought you might still want some onions.
Thank you.
I can fix that.
Sam, are you gonna try to tell me now that your onions are a cure for a leaky roof?
Nah. I'm just good with my hands. I built my own boat, you know. I needed to get across the lake to my onion field.
Well, then I guess you'd be in real trouble if your boat leaked.
I'll tell you what. I'll fix that roof in exchange for 3 jars of your spiced peaches.
It's a deal.
Well, Miss Catherine, I guarantee that roof for 5 years. If there's anything else.
The windows won't open, and the children and I would enjoy a breeze now and then.
I can fix that.
And this maiden, she lived with no other thought than to love and be loved by me. She was a child, and I was a child, in this kingdom by the sea, but we loved with
a love that was more than love. I'm my Annabelle.
Sam, you know that door doesn't hang straight.
I can fix that.
The duck swims on the lake.
Very good, Mr. Penn.
Thank you, ma'am.
The duck may swim on the lake, but my daddy owns the lake.
That will be all for tonight. Thank you, class. You're dismissed.
Hey, Catherine. How about me and you have a little picnic? Take a ride on my motorboat?
No, thank you, Mr. Walker.
It's brand new. I mean, you don't even have to row it.
No, thank you.
Come on now, girl. Hey. No one ever says no to Charles Walker.
I believe I just did.